Purple eyeshadow is gorgeous on almost all eye colors, but let's get real. Most of us are scared to use it, so we hide behind our faithful neutrals. Stop being scared. I'm gonna show you how to add in purple with those great neutrals. I'm also gonna show you how to apply 4D mascara. Okay, so we're gonna start with this color Optimistic, which is a gorgeous champagne color, and we are going to use a flat-headed brush to apply the color to the midpoint of our eye all the way to the inner corner of our eye. We do want this color to be a little intense, so have fun with it. Next, we're gonna grab a blending brush, apply a little bit of that same color Optimistic, and we're gonna apply it right up under our brow bone just to emphasize the arch of our brow. Now we're gonna go in with our second color, Ambiguous, which is that gorgeous purple color. And I am using a fluffy crease brush, which has a round head and a lot of bristles. And I'm going to apply that purple color from the outer corner of my lid all the way to the center or the midpoint of my lid. And I'm also going to take it up into the crease. Now, I'm not going to worry about how clean or how messy I'm applying it because I am going to do some cleanup at the very end. And in a second, you're going to see me blend this purple out. So now we're gonna go in with our blending brush and, well, we're gonna blend. We're blending that purple just a little bit. We don't wanna lose the purple color, but we do wanna soften it a little bit. Okay, time for color number 3, which is Nimble. Again, I am using this fluffy crease brush because just because it's one of my favorite brushes. So Nimble is this great satin nutmeg brown color. And I'm applying it over Ambiguous, which is that purple color, above my crease. And I'm doing this just to neutralize the purple. I don't want to take away from the purple color, but I do want to neutralize it so I'm not walking around with this screaming purple eye. What do we think? See, it doesn't even take away from the purple. If anything, it pops it just a little bit more. Okay, color number 3. I am using a crease brush and I'm going in with this deep brown color in the shade Marvelous, and I am only applying it to the outer corner of my lower lid. This is gonna add some dimension to the overall look. See how, wow, see? It just pops your eye. Okay, don't panic. I know it looks a little harsh, but we haven't blended it yet. So we're gonna grab that blending brush and we are going to, come on, I know you know. Yep, we're gonna blend. Remember, the art of a good blend is to make sure you're doing circular motions as you're moving back and forth across the eye. Pretty, right? I personally like a little more intense color on my eyes, so I'm gonna go back in with all 3 of those colors and just add a second layer. Now check this out. I mean, you're gonna instantly see these colors really come to life and just pop. So we are reapplying Ambiguous, which is that great purple color, Nimble, which I'm doing right now, which is that soft satin nutmeg brown color, and then we're going to go in with Marvelous, that deep rich brown color, just to pop it all. We're in the final stretch of the shadow application, so at this point you want to make sure you have everything really well blended. If your lids tend to droop, make sure you pull them up and get all the nooks and crannies blended out. Your final step in the cleanup process is to grab your blending brush once again and just soften that line between that brow highlight color and that purple and brown color. See? Just softens it a little bit so you don't have a harsh line on your eye. So if you follow me, you know I'm a huge fan of using your shadows as a liner. And in this look, I would say either use Marvelous, that deep brown, or use Ambiguous, the purple. If it was summertime, I would probably do Ambiguous, the purple color, but it's not. So I'm gonna use the deep brown as my liner. I am using a liner brush, which makes application so simple. If you're applying your shadows after you've applied your foundation, you're going to want to take a second and just clean up any of the fallout that you may have experienced while applying. Okay, time to move on to lashes. Now, where did I put my mascara? Oh, that's right. I was warming it up in the girls. Yep, that's one of my all-time favorite tips. Keep the mascara nice and warm right until you go to apply it. It makes it so much easier. So I am using the wiggle wiggle roll method. I know, sounds like a pop song, but I like to wiggle wiggle. I wiggle wiggle the brush at the base of my lashes, and then I kind of roll it up my lashes, or I kind of blink into my lashes. And yes, I did just get mascara on my eyelid because I'm not perfect. So what you want to do is now grab a bristle brush and kind of, look at that, just sweep the mascara off. Back to mascara application, wiggle, wiggle, roll. That's how we get the volume and the length of 4D mascara. It really is important to take a little bit of time when applying your mascara, because you could have this amazing eyeshadow look and then a really sloppy mascara application, and it just ruins the whole thing. So take your time, apply your mascara well, and rock on, sister. Wearing a pop of color is fun, it's easy, and it just makes you feel good. So get out there and rock your favorite color. Thanks for watching.